Are you getting ready to launch your business and now you need a logo? Stay tuned because I'm getting ready to show you how you can create a logo and the software that you can use to make your logo for free. So let's get into this. I'm getting ready to show you how you can create your own logo for free. Now, if you do have the funds to pay somebody to create a logo, then by all means, you can use someone else that you can pay. But I'm getting ready to show those who want to start their business on a budget. Listen, don't let anything stop you, because if you need a logo, this video is going to help you. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and drop me a line down in the comments if this video has helped you. So the first thing that we are going to do is going to a site called www.canva.com. Okay. Now in this software, there are two different versions. They have a free version and they also have a paid version. I have the paid version, but the free version works great as well. So you do not have to purchase the free version. Now, the first thing that we are going to do to create our free logo is you're going to create an account. So I already have an account, but go through the process of creating the account. And then when you create the account, you will be at this home page, okay? When you get to this home page, we're going to click on the More button. Now, as you can see, there's many different templates and layouts that we can use, but what we want is logos. So I'm just going to scroll until I get to the logo section. And let me see here. I don't see the logo section, so let me just go back. I'm just going to type in logo right here. So when I type in logo, what happens is it gives me pre-made templates that are already ready to go, you know? So you have two options when you create your logo. You can either start from a blank canvas and just create however you like to create, and create it from scratch, or you can create it from the pre-made templates. And for the sake of this video, we are going to go from the pre-made templates that are already inside of Canva. So I'm going to choose one that would be easy to make for me. Let's see here. Let's just choose one. Let's choose this one right here. So let's say this is the logo that we wanted. In Canva, you're able to change out anything that you want to change out. So for instance, I do have my own brand colors. Brand colors are simply the colors that you want your company to have. Mine are these over here, but you can choose anything that you want. So I want to change this out, and let's say I want this to be the Terry's. Let's just say I wanted my logo to say Terry on demand, right? So now I have my Terry on demand. I can resize this however I want to. I can move it around however I want to. I could place it where I want it to go. I could change the color, right? I want this to be my brand color, so I'm going to put a green right there. Maybe I want the background to not be white. Let's say I want the background to be orange. I can have it as orange. I can have it as purple. I can resize this however I like to resize it. I can pretty much do whatever I want to do. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to make it white just so that you can see it pretty well. Right? And let's say I wanted a microphone because most of what I do is digital. So let's say I wanted a microphone on here. I could go click on Elements, and Elements is going to search everything that's inside of Canva. So I want to place a microphone on here. Because I do YouTubing and I do podcasting. So let's say I wanted that, I could add that, right? I could move it like that if I wanted to. I could change the font. Let's say I didn't want this font. Well, I could change the font to whatever I'd like it to be. Let's say if I wanted it to be something like that, but I don't. So over here, you can change your font, okay? Let's say I wanted to add some more elements to it. I can click on Elements again. I could add like a line somewhere, maybe put a line right there. Move this down a little bit, put a line right there. Okay, I think I like that. Maybe I wanted to put, I think that's good enough. Maybe I'll leave it as that. Okay, so you can see how easy and simple it is to create a logo. Now let's say I wanted to do something different. I could always just start from scratch and delete everything on here, right? And let's say I wanted to create something else. I could always do that too. Let's say I wanted to use this as my logo, and I could put Terry. I can change this to a T. I can put Terry on demand, right? I can change that, and this could be my logo. I could change the color in the background, right? I could change it to whatever I wanted it to be. So let's say this is what I wanted as my logo. That would be it. This is as simple as it gets to creating a logo without having to pay someone. And you would just go to the top, click on share, click on download, and you would just download your image, right? You would just click here, and then it would download to your computer. Now, if you wanted to download this with just the T and the Terry on demand, and you didn't want anything on the background, then you would just download this as transparent. And this, my friend, is as simple as it gets to creating your own logo inside of the Canva platform.
Thank you so much for watching this episode of Terry on Demand, where we're giving you the hottest information that you want to know about. Do me a favor, go ahead and click that subscribe button, smash that like button, and share this video with somebody who you know will benefit from this information. Listen, check out the description box where you can pick up my new ebook that I've just written just for you. Have a great day and see you on the next episode.